Managing your finances after sport is one of the most important steps in building a stable future. During your athletic career, income can be unpredictable, and once it ends, many athletes face financial uncertainty. That's why learning how to manage your money early is essential. It starts with the basics: understanding your income, tracking your expenses, and creating a simple budget. Knowing where your money goes helps you stay in control and make better decisions. Saving is the next step. Even small, consistent savings can create security over time. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage it. Another important aspect is thinking long-term. Financial planning is not just about today. It's about preparing for your future beyond sport. Many athletes make the mistake of spending without planning or delaying financial decisions. But the earlier you start, the stronger your position will be. Through Athletes AI Compass, you can access guidance and resources that help you understand financial basics, avoid common mistakes, and make smarter decisions for your future. Because your career may have an endpoint, but your financial life continues. Start building habits today that will support you long after your time in sport.